Changing the currency on Stripe involves setting the default currency for your account, but keep in mind that once the currency is set for a specific account, it cannot be changed directly. However, you can set up additional accounts or payment methods that support different currencies. Here's how to handle currency changes in Stripe. Log into Stripe. Access your Stripe account by logging into the Stripe dashboard. Add a new account or set up a new payment method. If you want to accept payments in a different currency, navigate to the settings menu on the Stripe dashboard. Go to Bank Accounts and Scheduling and click on Add Bank Account to link a new bank account in the desired currency. You can also set up a multi-currency account in your Stripe account if you plan to accept payments in different currencies. Use currency-specific payment methods. For different currencies, you can use the Stripe API to configure charges in multiple currencies. When creating a payment, you can specify the currency for each individual transaction. Set currency on checkout. If you're using Stripe Checkout, you can pass the desired currency directly to the checkout session when creating the payment link or in the API request.